Hey guys, welcome back to Gingerhead Aviation Patriot. Today we're going to be doing this go-kart and this little SYX Moto 50cc dirt bike over here that is an Amazon dirt bike. The dirt bike has an engine mount that has broken off. We're going to get in there so we can weld that engine mount back on. And then on this has the sprocket mount for both the chain on the engine and to the chain to where it drives this rear axle. That mount for the sprocket cracked and is bent. So we're gonna take a bunch of parts off, try to bend that mount back in place and then weld it up so that the kids can drive this again. Because right now it's just bent so bad. Even if you get the chains back on, they just pop right back off because it's so bent. So we'll see and go from there. Let's do it.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and slap that bell.
No one listening right now.
According to my analytics, about 99% of you aren't subscribed.
All right, guys. So here is where it's broken. So this is bent and cracked. Maybe you can see through here. Yeah, it's cracked right here. So we're gonna bend it back and weld that crack up. And then it shouldn't break. The chain shouldn't come off anymore after that, and the kids will be able to ride it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
What?
I thought you were gonna put pressure.
No, I said it's straight.
It is?
Yeah, it looks straight to me.
All right. Well then, I'll just go. You good?
Yeah. Oh, what's on fire over there?
Piece of paper.
That looks disgusting. My weld. Let's check it out. Looks like boogers. Look, the grease fitting fell out.
Now with this, we're gonna weld this little space.
Ah! All right, let's get this safety shield back on and have Brandon drive it around a little bit. It's facing the other way. What the heck, Tyler? Camera is facing the wrong way. That's going in there. It has to. But what you didn't see
Your stuff dropped off.
was we greased it up a little bit, and then we put the belt back on and fired it up and ran it for a little bit to see if the chain would stay on, which it does. So now we're just gonna put this back on. So my mic ended up dying and I didn't even realize it, but basically we're test driving the go-kart right here, just making sure the chain stays on through some bumps on the curb and then driving it down the road at some speed. But I can already tell you that it's worked, because by this point it would have already fallen off. But he could have gone longer, but he just did basically an oval. He went down a little bit. I was trying to get him to go faster, but he's just taking it nice and easy. Nice and easy. Yep, and then we started working on the dirt bike, getting that stuff knocked out. It was kind of a pain in the butt on that dirt bike, actually, and I really wish I had audio. My mic just was dead and I didn't realize it. It's my bad. Here I'm showing you guys where it's broken at. As you can see, that thing's moving around. That's basically an engine mount. I'm just gonna weld it back up together. It was kind of a weird place to get to, but we got it done. He ended up accidentally getting too close to one of the wires. It was like a ground, and ended up melting that wire, so I had to repair that wire. Luckily I had some extra pieces, but it's working, so it's all good. Welded up nice and good, and held fairly well as well. Just getting the stuff to fix the wire.
Thankfully, it wasn't too hard to fix that wire. It's pretty accessible where it mounted and everything as well. Now I'm doing some JB Weld because there was JB Weld in my gas tank to fix a little leak that it had, and I noticed that it was coming off, so I'm just re-gluing it basically with that JB Weld. Eventually, I'm gonna get a new gas tank for it, but this is an okay temporary fix, and it's supposed to be ready in 5 minutes. So I'm just cleaning some stuff up around the garage so that I can wait on that to get a little tacky before I put it back on. Yep, putting it back on and kind of make a mistake here towards the end. It's kind of annoying. I had vice grips holding the fuel line and ended up accidentally pulling the fuel line off the gas tank from the top, so it just leaked fuel all over the ground and got all over me, but that's all right. Really appreciate you guys watching. Hit that subscribe and like. Thank you.